Hi everyone, my name is Adam. I'm a photographer here in Colorado. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about this koup shirt that I got recently, and I want to talk a little bit about its features. So without further ado, let's take a look. So here's the shirt, at least what it comes in. It comes in this little pouch. This is the gray, I'm wearing the black right now. But as you can see, it's very lightweight and packable. That's what I really love about it, and super stretchy. So it's really great for working out and traveling. I recently tested this shirt in Peru. Took it on a 3-day bikepacking trip, didn't wash it for a single day, and it was the only t-shirt I brought with me. Okay, so another cool feature about this t-shirt is how quick drying it is and really moisture wicking. So I was exercising with this shirt yesterday and left it out just for the night to dry, and as you can see, it's completely dry, which is pretty great. Even when you're wearing it too, like, it doesn't feel very restrictive, and so because of that, I think it kind of helps in stopping you from sweating too much to some degree. Another really crazy thing is that this shirt is made out of sustainable materials and natural ingredients. It's made out of cinnamon and recycled plastic. The cinnamon acts kind of as like an anti-odor agent. I just wore this last night. I'm gonna see if it stinks. It actually smells good. It doesn't smell bad. I think probably in the pits you're gonna smell some, but that's kind of typical of any t-shirt. I'm here in my dad's house for the holidays, so I'm gonna see if they think it smells bad. So I'll give you guys a clip of that. Tata, co? Czy to śmierdzi?
Yeah.
Cool. We're gonna see what my little brother says. Is Yash awake? Yo, yo, yo. Wake up. Yashu. Hey. Can you smell this? Does it smell bad?
What the frick, man? It's not 6.
Does it smell?
I don't know.
No? I really love this shirt. I can't wait to get a couple more of them. I hope you guys give them a shot. All right, ciao.